Hey guys, quick disclaimer before we get started. I'm not a financial advisor and this video is just for educational purposes. Please don't take anything you see on this channel as a recommendation to buy or sell any tokens. Crypto market is highly risky and you can lose all your funds, so always do your personal research. Also, some of the links in the description are affiliate links, which means I might earn a small commission at no cost for you. Every day in the crypto markets, we have a new trend, new hype, new blockchain, and new altcoins launching. That's why today I want to talk about the latest, I would say, trend in crypto. It's actually Binance, BNB, and also one of the biggest faces and founders in crypto space, TZ, who's the owner of Binance and also biggest, I would say, holder of BNB token, because he just announced a major update. His fund is launching a $1 billion fund for the BNB ecosystem projects, which kind of created this bubble and also FOMO around BNB and Binance chain. That's why they're going to talk about the article written by Cointelegraph, where they talk about this update and how actually this fund will function and work. So TZ's Easy Labs launches $1 billion BNB fund as token hits new heights. The Shengpeng Zhao, TZ, I will call him TZ because it's really hard for me to say, founded Easy Labs. It was called actually Binance Labs before, with launching a $1 billion fund targeting builders in BNB ecosystem as BNB skyrockets to all-time high price of $1,300. And I need to remind everyone, I'm not recommending you buy any tokens, any altcoins, BNB, nothing. I'm just talking about this update and this major move for the big blockchain. So Easy Labs venture firm is founded by Binance co-founder TZ and is launching this big fund around their ecosystem. And of course, we all understand why they're doing it, because they want to attract more builders to actually build on their chain, attract more people, more users. And of course, with crypto and blockchain, so far, the biggest issue is actually people using these chains to transact, to buy, to sell. Everyone's so far using it as a speculation tool, which is not really the goal of crypto and blockchain long term. And I think TZ, after coming back from US, because he actually was in jail for some illegal activities with Binance, KYCs, US users, now he's actually really actively back in the trenches, pushing the projects, creating a new hype, a new FOMO. And again, this is, I think, the latest push for BNB and overall market. So BNB ecosystem represents the next phase of digital infrastructure where decentralization converges with security and real distribution. And one thing, I would say one red flag about BNB and especially BNB token, it actually TZ holds a huge piece of the pie. It's actually holding lots of tokens. And this is a big reason why with a new all-time highs for BNB, TZ is also really high at the Forbes richest people in the world list, which is again not great for a blockchain. It kind of creates this centralized point, because if TZ decides to sell this token, he can actually dump the market, which makes it kind of centralized. So guys, there is not only positives, there's lots of also negatives. So the fund launched shortly after BNB, the token of the Binance chain, BNB chain, became the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap on Tuesday, adding at least $40 billion in the market value in October. And actually, if we're talking about Easy Labs, as I mentioned, this is a Binance Labs venture, as you can see, formerly known as Binance Labs. Easy Labs has played a crucial role in reinforcing momentum in the BNB ecosystem, funding multiple projects, including Binance linked decentralized exchange PancakeSwap. Also, TZ launched the Hyperliquid, which is a huge project for leverage trading competitor Aster. And also, Easy Labs has backed Lista DAO, decentralized finance DeFi protocol on BNB chain, the blockchain infrastructure project called Aspecta, and Aster, which is a multi-chain DEX that was recently delisted by major crypto data aggregator DeFi Llama. So you can see there are some good things TZ is doing, but also there are some things that not really correspond with what he's saying. Additionally, Easy Labs has been advancing institutional BNB participation through projects like BNB Digital Asset Treasury, called DAT, the RWA, the Real World Asset Fund by China Renaissance, and the BNB Yield Fund by Hash Global. And the next question, what kind of projects can actually compete for this $1 billion fund? And actually, it's a pretty wide net for different projects, because you can see it includes multiple sectors, including DeFi, decentralized finance, RWAs, real-world assets, AI and decentralized science. Basically, CZ and Binance are targeting the biggest, I would say, trends and hyped sectors in the crypto space right now. And again, I think it's similar to the AI race we have between Google, OpenAI, X, and also Facebook. Everyone's just throwing money at the problem and trying to be number one. So the same happens in crypto, and CZ is actually throwing $1 billion, which is a pretty big amount when we're talking about crypto. And if we're talking about the money, hey everyone, before we dive back in, I need to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Scramble. If you ever wanted to invest in the fast-growing European customer brands, but found traditional methods to be too complicated, Scramble makes it simple and effective. I've been checking them out, and their unique approach to diversified, batch-based investing is truly a game changer. Getting started is intuitive and quick, taking less than 5 minutes of your time per month. Registration is simple with your email, Google or Apple account, and you can easily deposit funds via bank transfer, card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. And you can start with a minimum of only 10 euros. And the real magic behind the platform is diversification. Every month, your money is automatically spread across a carefully vetted batch of exciting brands. And of course, remember, all investing involves risk, including the risk of losing your capital. And Scramble lets you choose from 2 different options. We have a Group A for casual investors and also a Group B. Group A is categorized by a lower relative risk, targeting a steady 12% annual return. And Group B is more advanced with a higher risk, offering a potential return up to 25%. What gave me extra confidence with this project is their alignment with investors. Scramble itself co-invests up to 20% in every round, and your investments are backed by security layers. With over 12 million euros invested in 86 plus companies since the year 2022, they have a strong track record of past activity. But please remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. So if you're curious, use my link in the description to sign up and get 10 euros sign-up bonus. The current investment round is underway and closes in mid-October, so don't delay. And lastly, if we're talking about Easy and CZ Fund, of course, where is the money coming from? And there is lots of speculation. So first of all, CZ denied it's actually his money, but there is some reports that Easy Labs has over $10 billion in assets, and they're actually managing billions of dollars for the founder CZ, according to Bloomberg report in January. And actually, we also have some information about some of the meme coin plays. You can see this Bubble Maps tweet. So BNB meme coins are going crazy because one person made over $10 million, 40 people made over $1 million, and for example, 21,000 people made over $1,000. Again, guys, meme coins are risky. You'll probably lose all your funds, but some people you can see get. So guys, what do you think about this new announcement by CZ? Do you think it will bring more AI slop and sloppy projects, or will it actually create some quality projects on BNB chain? Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.